So if the recorded voice memos on your Apple Watch 11 are not syncing with your iPhone, let's go ahead and see just one simple settings I need to check to move or transfer all your memos instantly, automatically to your iPhone. So as you can see, when I'm recording anything on my Apple Watch, and if I open the voice memo on my iPhone, it's not moved in there, which is supposed to go automatically. So all I gotta do is just open settings on my iPhone, tap on the name banner, hit the iCloud option. Let's tap See All to expand this section. Here, just scroll down and simply find out the voice memo option and make sure it's toggled on in here. If it's already turned on, you can turn it off and on to restart it. At the same time, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular, doesn't matter. And that's it. Let me record something on my Apple Watch right now, just to show you it's working. Now, as you can see, as soon as I stop recording, it should appear in the voice memo app on my iPhone. If it does not, just swipe once to refresh it. And that's it. It'll show downloading and then will automatically sync with your iPhone. And from now on, whatever voice memo you're recording on your Apple Watch will keep appearing on your iPhone's voice memo app. Thanks for watching.